One of the common findings in our information security audits is that a critical system is not sending its logs to the centralized place where log management and monitoring and correlation is supposed to be occurring. And when we look at the root cause of that, it's usually a lack of follow-up, a lack of diligence around implementing the policies and procedures of the organization to ensure that the logs are configured properly and sending to the expected place. And so you shouldn't wait for your independent auditor who might come in once a year to conduct an audit to find this. You should have a process in your policies and procedures today in order to verify that systems do in fact have logs enabled and sending to that centralized log mechanism. And so you want to have an internal audit process in order to verify whenever new systems are created. There are so many instances that are spun up and changed in our cloud environments that these kinds of steps can be missed. But you should have a policy or procedure that causes your staff to go back and follow up and ensure that the logs are communicating to the right place. You want to compare your centralized source of logs with your inventory of systems. This is a very difficult practice, but people who do it well keep good documentation in order to keep their inventory up to date. As they are completing their duties, they're updating the inventory. It's not something that you want to let a few months go by and have to go back and recreate. And so you want to have good documentation to compare your digital assets against the centralized log management solution so that you can ensure that you are receiving, monitoring, and inspecting all of the logs that you expect to be seeing from your systems.